Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the phone is charged and unlocked so changes save reliably. Open Settings and go straight to Security and Privacy or Apps depending on firmware, because the emergency call option can live in either place. Once there, find Emergency Call or Emergency Information to see the current behavior. This is where the system holds lock screen shortcuts. You do this first so you can change the toggle or edit the emergency widget rather than chasing menus later. You now dive into the emergency settings to remove the shortcut. Tap the emergency settings entry and select the lock screen or shortcut options. These control the lock screen icon. Turn off the emergency call or shortcut toggle, or remove the emergency contact number or widget so the call button no longer appears. If you can't find it, go to lock screen settings and edit shortcuts directly. This is why we checked both places. Different Itel builds store the control in different menus. You should lock the phone and confirm the emergency call button disappeared. That proves success. If it remains, reboot the device to apply changes, because some system UI elements need a restart to refresh. Make sure to recheck the same settings after reboot. If the shortcut persists, update the phone software or backup and perform a settings reset. This clears corrupted preference files that can force the emergency shortcut to stick. One key tip: always backup contacts and photos before resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.